Hi, I'm Franco and I'm Lucia, and today we're doing a fall-themed Lego kit. A first Lego kit video. This is product number 40261. This is a manual. We're gonna make a maple tree, a wagon, a garden, and a barrel full of yummy fruit and veggies. And it's a turkey and a robin in a tree. And the tree is a robin and also a little turkey. Everyone knows why. And it's a farmer and a little girl. I'm kind of worried about putting it in one jumble. Don't worry, we can do it. In one episode, hopefully anyway. I think we can. We're going to need the manual. Yeah. You can't go by picture because a lot of details you will miss if you do it like that. So we put together. I want to make a Manny first. Okay, I do that. I want to make a Manny. Where's his hat? His hat. His hat. Her legs. Where are her legs? What are her legs? Okay, so they're kind of reddish ones. This is. I found her legs. Oh, thank you. Can they move? Yeah, they're too short. I need to make her. I'm gonna get her bucket. She holds like a little bucket. Yeah. I'm making a bucket. I don't know what that is. Well, I do know what it is. It's a rake. I don't think it's a rake. Oh no. No, it's a rake. Oh, my head almost fell. Got a bucket. Where's Manny's pants? Where is his pants? Put on your pants, man. I'm doing a video. You don't want to be embarrassed in front of everyone. There, I've got your pants. Just making the character so hard. Yeah, I know. It's hard to put everything together if you have a new Lego kit. Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's almost Thanksgiving while we're doing this. Like, 6 more days until Thanksgiving. 6 more days, yeah. That's very exciting for us. You might be watching this on Thanksgiving for a special, or just rather watching this for fun. Or even, you could be watching this at any time. You could be watching this sitting down on Christmas Day. You could be watching this at any time. But I'm not even joking, but this Lego kit reminds me of what Thanksgiving's all about. So, a great harvest and a big dinner. I do the robin, you do the basket. Got it? Okay, so alright, I'll do the basket. So this is the basket. I wanted to do a robin. Alright, since you did a robin, I'm doing a turkey. Okay, nice. Almost like walking in each other's spaces a little bit. Yeah. Alright, I'll put that apple. Flip them around. There, here's a little basket. You can in the garden, like the garden's full. Looks like they haven't harvested all the crops yet. Yeah, because they harvest it on Thanksgiving. They'll probably harvest it on Thanksgiving. Ow! This guy is really hard to get. It's really hard to get this guy's head on. Can you help me put on his beak? Put on his beak, well, facing this way here. It's very, very, very hard. So all we have to do is just put on his beak and then put. Better way, just for you to know, he has missing something. You're missing his tail feather. Really, has a tail feather? Yeah, see? And here. Oh yeah. Okay. I put it on though. Then he's complete. There, the robin. Cute little robin. Let's turn on page 5 and now it's a turkey. I'm gonna make a turkey. Oh great, I'm gonna be bored. Don't worry, you can watch. I'm thankful for this Thanksgiving this year. That I live in America, I can definitely be glad about that. I'm almost done. Okay, good, since I'm getting quite bored. Yeah, I know. So, where was the piece? Those pieces. I think he's sleeping for Thanksgiving because he hasn't slept all night because he just spent his life in that box and now he's finally out of it and now he's so sleepy. I don't know really actually. I don't think that's actually it. You guys should like have his hat like on his eye. His eyes. No, just not meant for it. Anyway, there's a piece and I can't find it. Do you know what it could be? Oh, there is it. Okay. Alright, make it. No! This gobble gobble thing. I don't think it's a gobble thing. I know it's not what it's called. Yeah, I know. I just call it gobble gobble thing. Alexa, tell me a Chuck Norris joke.
Chuck Norris has already been to Mars. That's why there are no signs of life.
I'll be building a scarecrow. You're right. You do the scarecrow. So. While I do the rest of the garden. Scarecrow. Nice, scarecrow. Let me put it. What about we take turns walking on pages? You walk on the first page, then I walk on the next, and then this. I know what I'm gonna use the spell parts on. What? Just decorating the field. Yeah, right. All Lego game things always have spare parts. Okay, so this is a wagon. So far anyway, does it look like a wagon? Okay, now Lucia, there's a problem. Apparently, all what you just built is to be on the other side of it. Oh wait, thank you. That would have been. According to constructions. Oh, yeah, it is. Oh, it isn't. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. I double checked it. It's supposed to be here? Yeah, that's true. Oh, yeah. There's a little gap there, and that's how I mic'd it. Didn't mic it. Well, that's how I did frame it. I mic'd it anyway. Mic it. Like, I'm going to the fresh mic. No, mic it, like with a mic on. Like, micing something. No? You didn't, like, get a mic or just secretly mic it when you don't get it. Alright. Learn another week. Another week? Another week. Yeah, why not? Sure. Another week? Yeah, please. Oh, yeah. See ya. Because you made mistakes, Lucia. They're just mistakes. Yeah. They're not like something I did on purpose to mess up this video. Yeah, I know. But still, you can prevent mistakes. Mistakes or mistakes? Mistakes. Woo. Mistakes. I can't not. Mistake. I love eating steak, so this is a joke for you. Mistake. Mistake. Moo. Cause a steak. Here's another bit you'd have to do next. Fitting. Oh, it's really weird. It's starting to fall apart, so I need to fix it. Let's go still. Yeah, like open. Yeah. And then. Oh, that's cool. I kind of want to put the guy in it now. This talkie is really just playing well for now. I'm gonna do some decorating around our outskirts. What was this ever for? I guess it was a backup. We have all this backup stuff just around. I'm thankful this year for having 2 giant teddy bears. What is something? One named Teddy Weddy and another named Pandy. Black Spots. I mean Black Spots, but that's just his nickname. Everyone calls him by his nickname. Forgets about his real name. Remember, it's gonna be a surprise at the end of the video. Don't forget it, actually. Alright. This is a Lego 3D talkie that our dad made. With googly eyes. That's my talkie. It's a flat one. This is actually the first one that was made. That inspired my dad to make one, and then Franco to make one. Also, not just a pilgrim talkie, but a heart as well. Talkie is so innovative. This can apparently spin up on my foot. So this is him. His head can turn, this can turn, his wings can flap. Yeah, none of our other talkies can do that. He's unique for that. And he has a long beak. Very long beak. And his head fell off. So maybe use Legos for making stuff for Thanksgiving, like we did, like this. Talkie, height. Final talkie. We hope you have a great Thanksgiving dinner. Thank you, and like our video. Bye. I want to like your video. Oh no, I got a wing injury.